In this video, we will show you how to create mandatory questions in a procedure. Mandatory questions are items that must be completed or checked off before a particular procedure or checklist can proceed. These questions are considered essential and non-negotiable, and they are marked as required to ensure they are addressed. Users cannot submit a procedure until all mandatory questions have been filled out. Here are some benefits of mandatory questions. Firstly, mandatory questions assign clear responsibility for completing specific tasks or providing critical information, ensuring accountability within the team. Secondly, mandatory questions ensure the consistent capture of vital safety and regulatory compliance information. This includes essential checks on equipment and sign-offs for worker certifications and personal protective equipment. As a result, the risk of workplace injuries, accidents, and non-compliance should be significantly reduced. Thirdly, making essential tasks mandatory reduces the likelihood of errors or omissions, leading to more accurate and thorough checklist completion. Lastly, mandatory questions help streamline workflow by ensuring that prerequisite tasks are completed, leading to smoother project execution and fewer delays. To set up mandatory questions, ensuring that specific details and photos are required, follow these streamlined steps. Begin by selecting the procedure and navigating to the question where you want to establish a mandatory requirement. Scroll to the bottom of the Questions tab within the procedure. In the Required Fields section, specify whether the response, details, and photos are mandatory. You can also define the number of photos required. Save your configuration. The question is now mandatory and field users are prevented from completing the procedure without addressing it. Required questions are marked with a red asterisk in the Service Twin app. By following these steps, you can create mandatory questions that ensure the consistent inclusion of key details and photos. So there you have it. How to create mandatory questions. If you have any questions or need to learn more about this feature, please contact the Customer Success team at 6043986059 or email support@builtspace.com. We would love to help you get up to speed.